Alright, hello. I'm going to show how to use TinyScan to take pictures of a document and send it as a PDF. Alright, so first I'm on iOS, and I've downloaded the app. I'm going to bring up the app, TinyScan, and it says tap the camera to start. The camera's icon is down here on the bottom of the screen. I tap the icon. And now it's waiting for me to take a picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get above the page and I'm going to try and take a picture. I want to center it as best I can, and I'll hit the button down here to take the picture, and it loads the image. Alright, and it gives a preview of the image, and you can do some adjustment here, and it gives you the option to retake or save. Or retake or next. I'm going to click on next, and it processes and gives me a preview, and I'm going to keep that. Now if you wanted to, you could go to full color by clicking on the photo button, or keep it in black and white. I'm just going to stick with black and white, and I'm going to save that image. So bottom right, click on save. Now it gives me some options. I want to take another picture. I've got 2 pages for my worksheet, so I'm going to I'm going to tap on the button that shows the camera again. Click on that. Alright, let me take my second page, my second picture. Alright, again I'm sort of trying to get it centered as best I can, and I will take the picture. And it's loading the image. Alright, I'll go through this again. It gives me a preview. I'm just going to click on next. Processes and shows me the preview. I'm going to keep it in black and white again, so I'm going to click on save. Alright, so now I've got a 2-page document, and I can see both pages. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this. So on the bottom right of the screen now, I'll click on the upload button, and I'm going to choose the email option, and it gives you some options for the size and how much data it uses. I'm going to go with the normal size. It generates the PDF and brings you to the email options, and so I'm just going to email it to myself. So jberman@mail.valencia. Okay, and please, you would want to change the subject line appropriately, and then click on send. And that's it. Alright, after you're done with it, and you've made sure that it's been sent, the only thing with the free option, you can only keep 2 documents at a time. And so if you want to be able to keep more than 2 documents, you'll have to pay for it. But you can always edit, select, and trash the selected document. And then you can bring more up. Okay, hope you found this useful.